Hello, it's Mr. Tech Reviews 101. New intro, new beginning, and new camera. Well, today I'm reviewing the Kodak PlayTouch, or unboxing kit. Now, this is actually not too bad for a camcorder, $180. But don't believe the hype, because after you pay $180, you have to worry about warranty, and it still comes up to $192 anyway. So, now try to nip this thing open. Okay, so it's open now. Yeah, it's open. Oh, here's how it is. So it's a touchscreen, 1080p DIS. Here is the beauty herself. What a beauty! Just touch it. Review. It'll replace this. This actually is a Kodak Camera I'm using, but it's a pretty old 7.66 or later. Has a plug with a USB, which is excellent. It has an HDMI unit, which is incredibly awesome. Oh, it has everything in it. It has a camera strap, the guide and battery, and AV cable. A lot of stuff for a camera, but for $180, I guess that's a pretty darn good price for the camera like this, or camcorder. Yes, so the next review I'm going to do in the same clip is I'm going to turn it on and see how it is. Whoa. Nighttime test on the Kodak PlayTouch. The dump truck. Microphone can pick up all the sounds of it. It's really windy. Trees. Okay, test number 2. It's very windy. I'm testing out the 720p, 60 frames per second. Just to show you how realistic it looks. It almost looks like a home video kind of quality, but in HD. And it's a flash player, so it's pretty different. Okay, now it's nothing well, it is something fancy, because my Casio couldn't record 720p. This is 720p without the 60 frames per second, or just 30 frames per second. Yes, it's still clear. Not as clear as the 1080p though. It's pretty mild quality for HD. Excellent quality for $180 camera that's on sale, that just came out, you know. You don't really find deals like that. Because Best Buy for this kind of camera would usually charge like $300, $400 for a touchscreen panel camera that's LED. If you have the Kodak PlaySport, I'm sure you can use it underwater. I'd recommend you get this one. Even though it's not waterproof, it's still a better camera to have. Cops just ran by there. But it's still a better camera to have than most cameras on the market today. Or camcorders, rather. Besides the Sony Blog, which is also a touchscreen, but it does about the same quality as the PlayTouch. WVGA quality. The WVGA quality is it's alright. This is what my Casio used to do on its best shot, and it really records a little bit clearer than most WVGA qualities I've ever seen. 640 by 480, which is one of my older camera used to record, but it's still widescreen. So yeah. But I'm most likely gonna stick with the 1080p or 720p, 60 frames per second.